Hi, I'm Paige Beck, and you're watching Healthcare is brought to you by HCA Florida Healthcare. No one looks forward to surgery, but it can be life-changing and even life-saving. Dr. Summer Phillips is a general surgeon at HCA Florida Putnam Hospital in Palaca. He's here to tell us how to have the right mindset if surgery is in your future.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Dr. Phillips, when you have a patient, or maybe it could be the patient's family, what can you do to help them if they are anxious about the upcoming surgery?
I think one of the big things that I try to do is be as transparent as possible. Go over the whole plan, include them in the plan, especially if this is something more elective. Then I go over all the options and explain exactly my thought process as well as the steps that I take.
Now, you just mentioned if this is elective. What are some of the alternatives to having surgery?
You know, sometimes there are other options instead of surgery, such as medications, physical therapy. I try to explore all those options and be up to date with all current options to include the patient in the decision making.
Dr. Phillips, we're talking about robotic surgery. Explain to us, what are some of the benefits to patients?
Right. So with robotic surgery, we stick with a minimally invasive approach where we use small incisions. Having the robot as a tool for this surgery allows you to carry out the small incisions while also having almost like my hands inside the patient to carry out the operation. There's better hand-eye control, less blood loss, less pain for the patient whenever they recover from these surgeries.
Doctor, thank you a lot for this information. I think this is giving the patients and their families something to think about in this new year. And if you would like to learn more about healthcare services in our area, visit hcafloridahealthcare.com. I'm Paige Beck. Thanks for watching.